Getano natano natatu kucheso bochore bonne bumwako yoiga oyokuri kiroke bochumbe Karua bunge anyari bali masaba eriche moindi nikabona nyareka gotogi obomobwasi miuro moja na gotabuna obomoboni nikabobwata marama ya kuchesa bakenya boigo nikabanyade ba gotogi murai bwikiama kia ODM Raila Odinga asoko machora mata Karua kobomokonyo yonyurena eriche moindi nikakuri kiroke bochumbe bonyari bali masaba gweterasi kiama kianaki Kenya ikitene no mokonyi bo mobwasi miro moja musubati mata Karua.
Let me take this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Elijah Mosomi Muindi, a member of NAG Kenya and the only member of parliament from NAG Kenya during the 11th parliament. We thought of this meeting. Let me take this chance also to thank the press, the media, for coming. Tell you that I watched and read the Azimio manifesto. That is the only way that we will save Kenya from the world of corruption to the world of civilized society. I'm convinced that the words that came from Honorable Bright, Prime Minister, and his deputy will change Kenya tremendously.
Gana Onserio, General Secretary, Kisii County, NAG Kenya. I'm humbled to have that position. I'm urging our people as we are heading to our political campaigns that we maintain peace.
Na attend the nchini solidarity na inu na kutebia our president now Raila Odinga lazikuja tukonya kwa kuchora party member yetu.